When you need to replace tires, you need to know how many you should get and on which axle they should be placed. Replacing one damaged tire may leave you with 3 others with significant wear, which could affect your traction control, stability control, and anti-lock brake systems. If you can't afford to replace all 4 tires at once, you should at least replace 2 on the same axle. New tires should always be put on the rear axle for stability in slippery conditions. Your tire professional can help you know when your worn tires should be replaced, when you can safely repair a damaged tire, as well as help you select the right tires for your needs.